In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to import and export your contact list on Wix. This can be a crucial strategy for maintaining and organizing your online relationships. So let's delve right into it. Let's get started with exporting your contacts first. To do this, you will start at your site's dashboard. Here, you'll find an option labeled Contacts, which you need to navigate to. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu named Import and Export is displayed towards the top of your contact list. This menu is your gateway to manipulate your contact list by exporting or importing it. This time, we are going to select Export, which is the function to extract your contacts. A further choice is required of you next. You will need to specify which contacts you want to export. You have freedom here. You can either choose to export selected contacts or to export contacts that fall under a specific label. If you choose the latter option, you just need to choose from the By Label drop-down menu. Up next is the choice of your desired file format. Wix provides 3 options for you to choose from: regular CSV, Google CSV, or Outlook CSV. After selecting your preferred format, click on the button labeled Export. This action prompts a download window where you can choose where you'd like to save the file on your computer. Now that we've covered exporting, let's shift our focus on how to import your contacts, the purpose of which is to upload your contacts to Wix from a different source, such as your computer or another email account. As with exports, begin the import process from your site's dashboard and proceed to the Contacts section. Here, you again select the Import/Export drop-down menu. But this time, you'll select Import, signifying you want to integrate new contacts to your list. Then, you're faced with 2 options to carry out the import. If you want to import from a service like Gmail, simply click Connect under Gmail and follow the prompts to authorize Wix to access your Gmail contacts. On the other hand, if you want to import from a file on your computer, just select under CSV File, locate the file you wish to import from your computer files, and click Open to upload it. You are 1 step away from completing your import. Next, you will follow the on-screen steps that may involve mapping the fields from your file to your Wix contact fields. Once done with the mapping, click the Import button to finalize the import process. And that ends our tutorial on how to import and export your contact list on Wix. You're now ready to keep your contact list updated, organized, and accessible wherever you are.